right, guys, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I sew the mask, and this is what I found on the video as well, and I'll post the video or message me and I'll send it to you. But these squares are already cut. It's gonna be 9 inches by 6, and then all you do is like flip it. You'll have 2 layers. I don't have any filter for this one, so it's gonna be without filter, but if you have a filter, you'd actually do it on the top layer here. Then your elastics, I've been cutting them all differently, 6, 7, and 8 for different head sizes. So what you'll do is I start on the 9-inch side first, and then you'll put your elastic in the corner just like this. This will just be tucked inside. So we'll just sew there. And then when you get to this end, you'll add your other elastic. So then, yep, you just flip it through the hole. All right, so once you flip it through the hole, you have your mask here. Then you have that little open seam, so you're just gonna kind of tuck it so it's not hanging out like that. And then you're gonna fold this, depending on like you can do it 2 or 3 folds. In the video, I believe she does 3. Some I've been doing 2 because of just, it's a little difficult. I don't have any pins to hold them. And then you'll just sew. Switch it to the other side.
Oh my god, baby.
And then that's it. You got your mask.
Small.